Another way to create a self-belay when abseiling on a rope without a specific belay rope is to use a prussic but below the device this time. In this case I've got an abseil device, and then on the part of the rope I would be holding I attach a French prussic attached to my leg loop. Now this has a distinct advantage that when I'm resting on the prussic, when the prussic is holding me, only a small portion of my body's weight is on the prussic. The rest is being absorbed by the device. The disadvantage of this method is if I allow this prussic to get too close to the device, particularly a tube type device like this one, the device could start pushing on the top of the prussic knot, causing it to fail and it won't work. So it's critical when doing a below the device self-belay method that you ensure the prussic cord can never reach the device at all. You may even want to put a quick draw with 2 screw gate carabiners on to extend the device a little higher up so there's no chance of it failing. In this case, when I want to keep going, I simply have to push on the top of the knot and I can go and I can stop and keep going again.